Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to embed HTML in Outlook email. Alright, let's begin. So, in order to insert your HTML design directly into an email instead of attaching it as a file, you have to follow these steps. This process helps you send visually designed newsletters, invitations, or marketing messages that look exactly as they appear in your HTML file. First, open the Outlook app on your computer. From the top menu bar, click on New Email to open a blank message window. In the To section, type your recipient's email address, then add a subject line, for example, Test. Normally, when attaching a file, you'd go to Insert, then go to Attach File. Choose your desired file from the recent menu or browse your computer to locate it. However, this method only uploads the HTML file as an attachment, not as an embedded layout inside the email. To properly embed the HTML template, you need to make a small adjustment in the toolbar. Click the Customize Quick Access toolbar icon at the top of Outlook and turn on the Attach File option. A new Attach button should now appear in the toolbar. Next, click that new Attach File button, browse to your HTML file location, and select it. Once selected, click the small arrow next to the Insert button. Do not click Insert directly. From the drop-down list, choose Insert as Text. You'll now see that your HTML file appears directly in the email body, fully embedded rather than attached. This means your recipient will view the HTML content exactly as designed, complete with formatting, colors, and visuals. This technique allows you to send beautiful code-based designs directly through Outlook without needing external tools or add-ons. If your HTML file includes graphics or advanced styling, your email will look much more professional and visually appealing. And that's it. So that's basically how you can embed HTML in Outlook email. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.